601, you got Ratchet, Northern Cal. Good morning, 601. Sounding good as always here on the West Coast. Good morning, 601. Sounding good as always here on the West Coast. You got Ratchet waving right back.
Sounding good as always. Lovely, Ratchet. Mother Nature kind of playing games this morning, but that's what it is. I guess right, man.
Yeah, Mother Nature's trying to make up her mind which way she's going in time, but that's all right.
Smokin Radio, Sacramento.
Take it what we can and just play our own game. We ain't got no choice.
That's right. That's kind of weird. That's moving this morning, though. It's just kind of up and down the coast. Pretty wild to sit and listen to it. So on, Minnesota, cornfields. They're not.
I appreciate it, 601. Hold on, let's go back on the side, see you out there, but right now it sounds like you're the only one over there that's talking. Sounds like you're the only one out there that's talking, but hey, it'll turn around here in a little bit. We'll be able to jump around. Hey, 601, have a good Super Bowl weekend, and we'll see how it goes. Have a good weekend. We'll catch you later.
999, good morning to you. Hey, 999, good morning to you on Sunday morning, Super Bowl Sunday. 682 Smokin Joe, working by Barefoot Smokin Joe Radio.
Good morning out there, 682, 445 Radio Man waving.
And 445 Radio Man, I'm waving the Super Bowl Sunday wave to you too. Hope your team wins today.
Well, my team's the Cowboys. We sitting on the side, but I'm rooting for the Seahawks. That's all.
Hey, roger that on the Seahawks there. All right, buddy. Hope next year your team gets in there. Hope Dallas gets in there next time. You know, the 49ers and the Raiders and all them, they ain't in it this year either, so no big deal. We're just waiting for NASCAR to start up anyways. We're just waiting for NASCAR, Jeff Gordon fan. 682 Smokin Joe, working my Barefoot Radio right here in Sacramento.
Roger on that. Roger on the Jeff Gordon. Well, I hope anybody on the Hendricks team wins. That's all.
Hey, guys, there's a whole bunch of you out there that time there. Let's say good morning to everybody out there on radio.
We got Ratchet, Northern Cal, waving right back.
Smokin Barefoot Radio.
Hey, no doubt about it. It's Smokin 682. Hey, 682, 445 said, I hope anybody on the Hendricks team wins. 10-4, we'll see ya.
Roger.